True Rate Mortgage Group. Let me give you a quick market update today. This week has been a pretty interesting week, but overall, for the past 4 months, the market has been steadily improving. And we're seeing this because we measure mortgage applications. In the past month, mortgage applications went up 37% from last month. And that only happens when rates get good, right? Year over year, refinances are up 83%. So people who are stuck in those high rates that they got 3 years ago are finally making the move to say, hey, look, let's just get this rate down a little bit. Um, there's a BLS report on Friday. That's going to be interesting. Here's what happened earlier this week. We had an ADP jobs report come out, and as I mentioned, the Fed is always looking at what they expect to happen and then what really happens. The expectation for ADP was 140,000 jobs created, but what came in was only 77,000. So that is worse than expected, which is good for the market actually, because it says that the economy and the jobs market is getting a little bit worse. Here's the other part of that. 2024 jobs report came in and it was revised. This just happened. It was revised down 215,000 jobs. So think about that for a minute. Do you remember last year when we kept getting all these economic reports about how good the jobs market was doing and how healthy the economy was? And well, it turns out, as I always say, it's just a guess because they just revised it and decided that last year they were off on average about 17,000 jobs per month. Well, if you think about it, that meant that the Fed was using the wrong data once again to determine our rates. So last year, our interest rates probably would have been a little bit better. That's all that means. Bottom line here is, and I put a video out about this yesterday, don't take the headlines that you read in the paper and see on the news to heart. The Fed and the experts are typically incorrect. And that's why they allow for revisions. If you're on the fence and you're looking to buy, obviously know the market, but just know that nobody has all the answers. And you have to do what's right for you. And at the end of the day, it's your money and your choice. So that's the market today. Tomorrow, Friday will be the BLS report. We will follow that up with a report with you to let you know if anything happens. If you're looking to lock a rate today or this week or next month or whenever, make sure you know the trends and where we're at. We can help with that. If you want to talk, give us a call. Have a wonderful Thursday.